Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Emerald Signature. So today we'll be talking about how I converted my manual sewing machine to electric using the sewing motor. So I just got my motor today. This is what the packaging looks like when I got it. I'm going to be installing it in my Blackhead manual machine to make it electric. So this is just like a little tutorial for those that might want to get a motor, so that they will not be looking for who to install for them. They'll be able to install by yourself. All right, so I'm opening the box. This is what it looks like. That's exactly how it came in the package. This is like the belt. Yes, the belt, the manual guide, and some strings and knots and everything inside. While this is the pedal where you put your foot to press it to sew. Yes, and this is the motor itself, the one you connect to the electricity to make everything move. All right, I'll be working with this screwdriver. Yes, then I'll just be ripping everything out to try and connect it. Now I'll be removing the belt, that belt that I used to connect it to the manual. There's this hole, yes, at this part of your machine. Yes, you can see it there. It's in that hole we'll be fixing the head of the machine. Now you can see me just trying to, align the hole of the motor to the hole in the head of the machine. Yes, so once it's there, you can see the hole. Then I'll get a knot that came with the motor and just use it to tighten the motor to the hole there. Yes, just like so. You can see it. Then I've connected this trunk. I'm trying to fix the belt now to the handle of the machine. Quite difficult though. You need a lot of, anyway, not that difficult, sha. So just, gradually fix it in and just try your best. It will go in sooner than expected. Yeah, it's in. Then I'll connect that to the motor. You can see after connecting it's quite shorter. So what I did was just to loosen the motor a little bit from the head of the machine, raise the motor up, connect it, then tighten it back. And it's just very simple. I've fixed it. Then I'll just tighten this part a little bit, tighten it, and voila, you have it. Okay, you see, when I tightened it, it wasn't holding the belt, so I re-loosed it and reconnected it, allowed the motor to hold the belt, then fix it, then tighten the knots just like so. And it's very flexible though. Now it's time to connect the presser to the motor. You see me, I just loosened the wire and I'll just fix that whole part to the whole part of the motor to fix it, let it blend in. Once it enters in, I just make sure it's very firm. Yes, I just make sure it's very, very firm. Then I'll just be, connecting the other part to electricity and pressing the foot there. I place that on the floor to press so that I can see. And now I'm just trying to, sew, and see the way it's very fast. The noise though, but I just had to silence the noise. See how fast it's moving. That is the end of this tutorial. I'm loving my motto, and see you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up. Bye.